Hi, welcome to Story Time with Gigi. Today we are reading a Sesame Street story called What Big Bird's Toes Know. The story was written by Liza Alexander and illustrated by Tom Lee. I love Big Bird. I wonder what the story is about. Hi, it's Big Bird here, and boy, am I sleepy. Yes, sirree. There's nothing like a good stretch from my top feathers all the way down to my toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Hello, toes. You're looking pretty smart down there. I bet you toes know a lot of things. One thing my toes know is how to take a running start. 1, 2, 3, go! And my toes know how to jump, feet first, into a giant pile of pretty leaves. My toes know how warm and cozy my snow boots feel in winter. My toes know how to make my galoshes slosh through puddles in the spring. My toes know how soft grass feels when I'm barefoot at a summer picnic. There's Elmo. And my toes know how to keep my flip-flops on my feet when I walk on the sizzling hot sidewalk. My toes know all about the beach. They know that the sand is grainy and warm when I walk, and the water is cool and sparkling when I splash. My toes know how to bouncy, bouncy, bouncy down Sesame Street on a pogo stick. And my toes know the roar of my roller skates as I swoosh through the park with my friend Snuffy. Even Mr. Snuffleupagus has skates. My toes know how to hop and skip and how to dance and twirl. My toes know how giggly I get when Elmo tickles them. My toes know how to play games like the little piggy with Granny Bird. This little piggy went to market. My mom does that game with my granddaughter. My toes know how to stand up tall on tippy toes to reach something way up high. Oops, he knocked something down. And how to tiptoe quietly past baby Natasha's room when she's taking a nap. Shh. My toes know how to burst bubbles in my bathtub. And how soft and fluffy the towel feels when I dry off. But what my toes like best of all is to be tucked into this nice, snuggly nest. Night, night, toes. Sleep tight. And that's our story. I hope you liked it. Make sure that you like and subscribe and share with your friends. Bye until next time.